Bharati Group of Education, Sambhajinagar. I am Rohini Pathak, Maths faculty. Today we continue our chapter Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variable, exercise number 3.2. Yesterday we have studied first question. Now to come to second question. See, in second question we have to find out lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. Before this question, first listen, very important point. That point is, if two equations you have given, suppose two equations, linear equations in two variables, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, you can consider is equal to c1, otherwise you can take here plus c1 is equal to 0, no problem for this graphical representation. And second equation, if you take as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Suppose you have two equations, then without plotting graph, how we can find lines are intersecting or not, lines are parallel or coincident? Listen here. Conditions given. See, first condition, if a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, then lines are intersecting. म्हणजे हे कोएफिशियंट्स चेक करा, यांचा रेशो नॉट सेम असेल तर लाइन्स इंटरसेक्टिंग. and you know, if lines intersect each other, only one point of intersection, they intersect at only one point, therefore solution is unique, एकच solution असणार आहे. and if solution, always say that the lines are consistent. म्हणजे consistency present here, you can say consistent or system is consistent. Now second condition, what is second condition? If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then lines like that coincident. What is mean by coincident? Suppose this is first line, second line also again coincide to this first line. second line पण प्लॉट केला तर त्याच्यावरच येते, ग्राफ ड्रॉ केला तर. this condition is consistent lines. मग how many solutions? Solution means काय आधी बघा, common point of two lines. आता common point of two lines intersecting असेल तर वनच असेल ना. if lines coincident, how many common points? Infinitely many common points. Yes, therefore solution is infinitely many solution and consistency is there, means system consistent. And third condition, what is that third condition? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and for these conditions lines will parallel. Means suppose this is first line, second line will be like that. Is there common point between these two lines? No, there is no common point between two parallel lines, hence there is no solution. Solution इधर असणारच नाहीये, therefore system is inconsistent. आता हे असं theoretically मे बी नाही लक्षात येणार तुमच्या, मी एक्सप्लेन केले हा पॉइंट. we see here with example, means I explain here with example which are the consistency, inconsistency, means lines intersecting or not. See this example. Here in first question two equations are given, give number as 1 and 2. हे compare करा, compare with our standard form a1 b1 c1. compare केल्यानंतर काय मिळेल बघा, a1 we have 5, a1 means x coefficient, b1 -4, c1 8. Similarly a2 second line, a2 7, b2 6 and c2 we have -9. Now check ratios. Take a1 by a2. See here a1 by a2 5 upon 7, we can't reduce. Now take b1 by b2. b1 by b2 -4 upon 6, we can reduce here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Means this is 2 upon 3. Now observe here, A1 by A2 5 by 2, B1 by B2 2 upon 3. Are they same? हे सेम आहेत का? No, they are not same. Means see here first condition. What is that first condition? If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then lines are intersecting. म्हणजे या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर काय येणार आहे? लाइन्स आर इंटरसेक्टिंग. लाइन्स काय होतील? इंटरसेक्ट होतील. हाऊ मेनी सॉल्युशंस हियर? हियर युनिक सॉल्युशन. लाइन्स इंटरसेक्ट होणार आहे, therefore only one solution is there. Okay, such type of questions, sub questions in this question required. I solved only one here, very easy, therefore not necessary to again solve such examples. Here from this question, second sub question of this and third sub question, these two for yourself, means this is your homework. सेम क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मधला फर्स्ट मी एक्सप्लेन केलाय, सेकंड आणि थर्ड तुम्ही होमवर्क करायचं आहे. पुन्हा एकदा बघा, तुम्ही काय काय लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. A1 by A2 if not equal to B1 by B2, lines intersecting. If three same, A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 are same, lines coincident means they fall on each other, same lines. Then infinitely many solutions, system is consistent. And if first two are same but third not same, C1 by C2 not same, then two parallel lines are there, hence there is no solution, system is inconsistent. You have to remember this chart and you have to solve such type of questions. Calculation very easy. Therefore from second question, this second and third for yourself means homework. Exercise 3.2. Actually मी सेकंड क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन केला, सेकंड मधले पण होमवर्क दिले होते. थर्ड क्वेश्चन बघितला तरी पुन्हा सेमच आहे, म्हणून मी आता घेत नाहीये. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन घेते. ऍक्च्युली फोर्थ पण सेम आहे, फक्त एक पॉइंट एक्स्ट्रा ड्रॉ ग्राफिकली, म्हणजे ग्राफिकली सोल्युशन वी हॅव टू फाइंड. हियर इन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन अगेन सेम क्वेश्चन, सेकंड थर्ड and fourth they are same type of questions. Here question is in given equations which are consistent or inconsistent. Just I revise what is mean by consistent. Consistent means if there is a solution. If solution, then system is consistent. If not solution, then system is not consistent, means inconsistent. ओके, म्हणजे सोल्युशन असेल तर कन्सिस्टंट सिस्टीम, सोल्युशन नसेल तर नॉट. पुन्हा रिवाइज करते, जस्ट आता जे आपण एक्सप्लेन म्हणजे रिवाइज केलं होतं ते बघा. इफ A1 by A2, if A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then lines are intersecting and then there is a unique solution. And if solution, system is consistent. If this is first condition, if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to again C1 by C2, then lines are coinciding. Coinciding means they fall on each other. And hence here infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions and system is consistent. And last condition, if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then lines are parallel. And if lines are parallel, there is no solution, and no solution means system is inconsistent. In this question also we have to check whether system consistent or not, and if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. That is our question. Okay, now come to our example. Here also 3-4 sub questions. I explain first. Compare with standard form. What is standard form? A1x, B1y, C1. Here A1 we have x the coefficient 1, B1 we have 1, C1 5. Now come to second equation. A2 2, B2 2 and C2 10. You can reduce this equation also dividing by 2. 1 minute. Here if you divide, lines will parallel. Take here बघा A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. थोडंसं ऑब्झर्वेशन करा आणि आता इथे जस्ट काय म्हणलं बघा, इथे सगळं सेम दिसतंय बघा. इक्वेशनला जर इथे तुम्ही 2 ने डिवाइड केलं असतं तर सेम इक्वेशन आलं असतं. मी केलेलं नाहीये, असू दे. ओके, नाउ टेक रेशोज. A1 by A2. See A1 by A2 1 by 2. Here A1 by A2. Now see B1 by B2 again 1 by 2. Here there is 2. And again C1 by C2 take 5 upon 10 and 5 upon 10 again 1 upon 2. 5 1s are 5 2s are, means again 1 by 2. Compare here A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Are they same? Yes. Means which system we have? Here second. What is second condition? If A1 by A2, B1 by B2 same as C1 by C2, then lines are coincident and infinitely many solutions. In question is if consistent. Here system is consistent. If consistent, we have to solve graphically. Okay. Now we have to plot the graph of these two equations. आता या दोन इक्वेशन्स चे ग्राफ सेम येणार आहे बघा. लाइन्स कन्सिस्टंट म्हणजे लाइन्स एकावर एकच फॉलो होणार आहे. तरी सेपरेट चार्ट करूया आपण आणि ग्राफ प्लॉट करूया, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ही आयडिया येईल व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कोइन्साइडिंग लाइन्स. म्हणजे एकच लाईन पुन्हा याच्यावर जे कोइन्साइड होते त्याचं मीनिंग काय हे तुमच्या या सम वरून लक्षात येईल. म्हणूनच हे सम मी घेतलेलं आहे. इंटरसेक्टिंगचं न घेता फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन घेतलाय मी. का तर कोइन्साइडिंग लाइन्स, कोइन्सिडंट लाइन्सचं मीनिंग तुम्हाला क्लिअर होईल. ग्राफ प्लॉट करूया, चार्ट बनवूया. चार्ट इझी आहे त्यामुळे कॅल्क्युलेशन जास्त काय सांगायला नको. फर्स्ट बघा x plus y is equal to 5 and second 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Here regular x, y, x comma y. Put any values of x 1 2 3 regular values घेते. आता ओरली सबस्टिट्यूट करूया. पुट हियर x is equal to 1. बघा x ची व्हॅल्यू 1 सबस्टिट्यूट केला तर y will be 4. ओरली आन्सर बघा 1 plus 4 5. सेम हियर 2 सबस्टिट्यूट केला तर 3 and 3 केला तर 2. Therefore points are 1, 4, 2, 3 and 3, 2. These three are points we have to plot, as well as first we see this one and then we draw the graph. Here x, y, x, y. Here also you can take 1 2 3 values. Orally बघूया आता बघा. इधर suppose 1 x is equal to 1. थोडंसं कॅल्क्युलेशन दाखवते. Put here x is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 2y is equal to 10. 2y is equal to हे 2 ट्रान्सफर करा. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 8. Now divide by 2. Y is equal to 4. Means if you consider x as 1, y as 4. Take other value. Suppose I take here x4. कारण here same होता है ना 1 2 3. जरा different घेऊया. 4. Put x is equal to 4 here. Put here 4. 2 4s are 8. इकडे 8 ट्रान्सफर करा. 10 minus 8 will be 2 and 2y is equal to 2 means y is equal to 1. Now substitute x is equal to 5 substitute करूया. डिफरंट घेऊया ना, इथे 1 2 3 आहे, तिथे 1 4 5 घेऊया. नाहीतर तुम्हाला वाटेल सेमच पॉइंट्स घेतलेत मग ग्राफ सेम येणार. पुट x is equal to 5. इझी आहे म्हणून मी कॅल्क्युलेशन शॉर्टकट मध्ये दाखवले. हियर 2 into 5 2 into 5 10 transfer here 10 minus 10 we have 0 and hence 2y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0 by 2 that is here 0 means we have to plot points 1 comma 4 4 comma 1 and 5 comma 0. ठीक है. Now we plot the points for first graph 1. See here graph 1 2 3 4 5 6 x axis, here 1 2 3 4 5 y axis, intersection origin 0. Our first point 1 comma 4 C1 and 4. Here this is 1 comma 4. 2 comma 3, here 2 on x axis, 3 on y axis, 3 comma 4. This is 1 4. This is 2 3, not 4 2 3, and third 3 2. Here 3 and 2. This point 3 2. This is our first line, first graph. Graph of x plus y is equal to 5. Our first graph x plus y is equal to 5. Now come to second graph. Second line, here 1 comma 4 1 4 this point. Second 4 1, see where is 4 1, here 4 here 1. Then 5 0, here 5 0. And means if I plot this graph, see here, if I plot this graph and extend this, they coincide each other. This is our blue graph of 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 and first graph x plus y is equal to 5. Means these two graphs coincident, means coincide each other, only one line is there and hence this system has infinitely many solutions. Why infinitely? Their point of intersections infinite, hence infinitely many solutions, and system is consistent. Okay, there is no unique solution. Next question, fifth. Actually fourth मधला मी एकच question explain केला बघा. Therefore remaining for yourself means second, third, fourth sub questions of fourth question. Homework, do your homework and come to fifth question. Fifth question, word problem is given, means we have to first prepare first form linear equations. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than width is 36. Then find the dimensions of garden. That is our question. First see rectangle's length, breadth and its perimeter. Means we have to consider length, breadth. If I consider length is equal to x and width means breadth, no? Breadth if I consider as y. Here two conditions. Which are two conditions here? Whose length is 4 more than width. Length is means x is म्हणजे equal to 4 more means plus 4, then width means y plus 4. X is equal to y plus 4. You can rearrange this. because just I told for graphical method you can rearrange y is equal to something. But suppose in equation you have x is equal to something, I also explained how to prepare that chart. Therefore this equation write as it is, x is equal to y plus 4, means according to our first condition. What is our first condition? Length is 4 more than breadth. That is our first condition. Okay. Now come to second condition. What is second condition? Perimeter of rectangle. You know perimeter of rectangle, and here half perimeter given. First tell me perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Tell me formula. Is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. Is it? And what is that condition? Half perimeter. Half perimeter given here. Given here 36. Perimeters half. आता perimeters half means here. Therefore 2 L plus B. 2 याचा half म्हणजे काय will 2 cancel with L we considered L as x, length as x, breadth we considered as y. 2 cancel kawil half of perimeter, and that is given 36. This is our second equation. First equation x is equal to y plus 4. Second equation x plus y is equal to 36. Now first we prepare chart table for these two equations and then plot the graph. Come to the tabular form. X is equal to y plus 4. Here x is equal to y plus 4, and second equation x plus y is equal to 36. I write as it is, not in terms of y, in terms of x like that. Now listen, if your equation is x is equal to, then remember that you have to select values of y. You can take any values. Instead of 1, 2, 3, I am taking larger values because here for this graph 36 here number addition 36 we need, and here y x is equal to y plus 4. Therefore select I here suppose 10, 12, 14 like that. Bigger number I am taking. If you take y is equal to 10, 12, 14, substitute here. Put y is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 plus 4, x is equal to 14. Means here x we have 14. Now put y is equal to 12. Listen here, we selected x is equal to. If you select equation x is equal to means x in terms of y, then you have to select any values of y. I take here 10, 12 and 14 values. Here x is equal to y plus 4 means 12 plus 4, and 12 plus 4 is 16. 12 असेल तर here 16. Put y is equal to 14. X is equal to, what is our equation? Y plus 4 means 14 plus 4, and tell me 14 plus 4, 18. Okay, here 18. Means we have to plot the points 14, 10, 16, 12 and 18, 14. These points we have to plot. Now come to second graph. In second graph you can take either x or y. Suppose if I take values of x, addition will be 36, therefore take any values. Means we can take 1, 2, 3 also. Here also we can take 1, 2, 3. But addition 36 means if you take here 1, y will be 35. Therefore I am taking larger values x, y, x, y. here 14, 16, 18. Here you can take any values. After 18 means you can take here 20, 22, 24. Put here x is equal to 20. Put x is equal to 20 in this equation. See here 20 plus y is equal to 36. Means हे 20 काय करायला लागेल मायनस y is equal to 36 minus 20 and hence we have y is equal to tell me 16. 36 मधून 20 मायनस करा y we have 16. आता हे ओरली करता येईल का नाही बघा. Put here x is equal to 22. x ची व्हॅल्यू 22 सबस्टिट्यूट करा. 22 plus y 36. y is equal to 36 minus 22. y is equal to किती येते बघा 1 4 means we have here 14. Put y is x is equal to 24 म्हणजे 36 minus 24 हे आन्सर येईल ना. हे ओरली लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. Here 2 and 1 means here y is equal to 12. Addition दोघांची 36 येते का बघा. Then we are correct. Here 20 plus 16 36. 22 and 14 36. Here 24 and 12 36. 36 means we are correct. 22 14 24 12. Now we have to plot these points one line, these points second line on graph paper and we have to find solution. Okay? Now we see graph of these two lines. Here x axis, y axis, you know. I am taking even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Even numbers. On y axis also even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 also because there is 16 also. Now for first chart, first I plot points from first table 14, 10. See where is 14? 14 on x axis, 10 on y axis. Therefore our point is here 14, 10. Next point 16, 12. See where is 16 on x axis, 12 from y axis. Our point is here 16, 12. And third point 18, 14. 18. See where is 14? Here 14. Okay. Means we have these 3 points 18, 14. First we plot this graph, this line. Plot this line. See here. This is our first line whose equation is x is equal to y plus 4. This is line x is equal to y plus 4. First line. Okay. Now come to second line. Means from second chart 20, 16. 20 from x axis, 16 from y axis, 20, 16. Here that point 20, 16. Next 22, 14. 22 here, 14 here. This is second point. And third point 24, 12. See here 24 x axis, 12 from y axis. There this point. And join these 3 points. See here points. Here first point we have 20, 16. Second point we plotted 22, 14, and third point we plotted 24, 12. ठीक है? Now this is our line. This line is of graph. Which graph? This graph. X plus y is equal to 36. This line, blue line of this graph. Here this blue line, red coordinates. This is our first. Now see point of intersection here. See this point. This point is common between these two lines, means these two lines intersect at this point. Which point? 20, 16. At this point these two lines intersect. Means our answer is 20, 16. Means from point of intersection we have x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16. We considered x as length, therefore length of rectangular garden is 20 meter, and we considered y as breadth, therefore breadth of rectangular garden is 16 meter. That is our answer.